Everyone tell me it's touched my name is circus.
Circus, because...
Joe and Stephen can got me to sell me something to order.
Alright, well, it's Wayne. You should have said it at the time. There's no to India on holiday. Where is that? Sydney? Mumbai?
No, that's terrible.
I've been asking you Sydney to tell her about it ever since. Can you hear that terrace attack?
I
She's not very well, me, Tasha.
No, I haven't been any time watching news or anything. But I heard the terrorist attack. In Mumbai, too?
Yeah, they, I think 3 hotels that Western people go to. We've got all the hostages and stuff like that too.
I think that's right. Yeah, 2 Aussies.
2 Aussies there too, brother.
Yeah.
You want to try and just keep him a little rounder and not let him run down to the fence. Come forward through your corner a bit more. Come on. And then out of your turn, things just stay a little together. And now just stay there. Good. Perfect. Yeah, super.
See? There you go.
She can do that. She didn't know me to tell her.
Yes, you did.
That was perfect. So that's about how you want to ride him.
Okay.
That's great. So you stay forward through your corner and then just keep him a little together. Out of your turn, you've got a great spot.
She's happy with
Because I always think when people are trying them that it's got to be a little bit what they're happy with.